A lot of people want to know how to get your child to cover their nose when they sneeze. It is a fun experience. All you have to do is go like this and call it a chicken wing. Let's do our chicken wing. This is how we can get our children to cover their nose in a nice and fun way. Did you forget to do chicken wing? I have been doing this for over 20 years. A lot of children love it. If you love my tips, just click subscribe and follow. You can find me on 4 different platforms: TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Oh, and I forget Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.